Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the 5 best 4K camera drones in 2025. If you're looking to elevate your photography and videography to new heights, these cutting-edge drones are your perfect companions. We'll dive into their features, performance, and what makes each one stand out in the competitive market. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a budding enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest technology trends. Let's get started and find the perfect drone for your aerial adventures. Number 5. The Stone HS720E. After extensive testing and flying in various conditions, it has quickly become one of my top recommendations for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. One of the standout features of the HS720E is its 4K UHD camera, which captures stunningly clear and vibrant footage. The image stabilization ensures that your videos are smooth, even when flying at higher speeds or in windy conditions. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes or capturing family moments, the camera quality will exceed your expectations. The drone's flight time is another impressive aspect, boasting up to 26 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life lets you explore and capture more without constantly worrying about landing to recharge. Additionally, the HS720E has a range of intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoints, which enhance the flying experience and allow for creative shots. Without requiring advanced piloting skills, user-friendliness is a key factor for any drone, and the Stone HS720E does not disappoint. The setup process is straightforward, and the intuitive controls make it accessible even for those new to flying drones. The included GPS helps with positioning and provides features like return to home, enhancing safety and peace of mind during your flights. Durability is also worth noting. The HS720E is designed with high-quality materials that can endure the occasional bump or crash. Number 4. The Stone HS600. Drone is a remarkable piece of technology that combines user-friendly features with impressive performance, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. After extensive testing in various environments, it's clear that this drone stands out in its category. One of the most striking features of the HS600 is its 4K camera, which delivers stunning aerial photography and videography. The clarity and detail captured by the camera are exceptional, allowing you to record your adventures in high resolution. Whether you're filming a scenic landscape or a family event, the HS600 ensures that every moment is captured beautifully. The drone's flight stability is another highlight. Equipped with GPS-assisted flight features, it provides a reliable flying experience with precise positioning. The return-to-home function is a reassuring feature for new pilots, ensuring that the drone will safely come back to its starting point. If you lose signal or the battery runs low, battery life is also commendable, with up to 20 minutes of flight time per charge. This gives you ample time to explore and capture stunning footage without the constant worry of the drone running out of power. Additionally, the HS600 boasts a range of intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flying, and Gesture Control, which enhance the overall flying experience and make it more enjoyable. Durability is another strong point for the HS600. Its robust design can withstand minor bumps and crashes, which is particularly beneficial for novice pilots who are still mastering their flying skills. Number 3. The Robotics EVO Nano is making waves in the drone market, and it's easy to see why. After extensive testing, this compact drone has proven itself as a powerful tool for both hobbyists and professionals alike. With its lightweight design and advanced features, the EVO Nano Plus offers a seamless flying experience that is hard to beat. One of the standout features of the EVO Nano Plus is its impressive camera capabilities. Equipped with a 50MP camera and a 1/2 CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. The image quality is exceptional, delivering vibrant colors and sharp detail even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're filming a scenic landscape or capturing family moments, the Nano Plus ensures your footage looks professional. In terms of usability, the EVO Nano Plus shines. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly app make it accessible for beginners, while offering enough advanced features for seasoned pilots. The drone's stability and GPS functionality provide a smooth flight experience, and the 28-minute flight time means you can explore and capture footage without constantly worrying. About battery life, safety features are also a highlight. The Nano Plus comes with obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring a safer flying experience. This is particularly useful for novice pilots who may be apprehensive about flying in tight spaces or around obstacles. Additionally, the compact design makes the EVO Nano Plus highly portable. It easily fits in a backpack, making it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures. Travel. Number 2, the DJI Neo is a game-changer in the world of drones, seamlessly merging high-end technology with user-friendly features that cater to both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. After extensive testing in various environments, it's clear that the Neo stands out for its exceptional performance and versatility. One of the most impressive aspects of the DJI Neo is its camera capabilities. With stunning 4K video resolution and 12MP stills, every shot captures vibrant colors and intricate details, making it perfect for aerial photography and videography. The drone's gimbal stabilization system ensures smooth footage, even in windy conditions, allowing for professional-grade results without the need for extensive post-production. The flight experience is another highlight. The Neo boasts an impressive flight time of up to 30 minutes, which is more than adequate for capturing extended footage on your adventures. The intuitive, remote control, and easy-to-navigate app make it simple to master the drone's various features. Additionally, the intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me Waypoint and Gesture Control add a layer of creativity and convenience, letting you focus on your subject while the drone handles. The flying safety features are top-notch as well. The DJI Neo is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors, ensuring that your flights are not only fun, but also secure. The return-to-home function provides peace of mind, automatically bringing the drone back to its takeoff point if the battery runs low or if it loses connection with the remote. Number 1, the Potensic Atom-Se is a standout choice that won't break the bank after thorough testing and hands-on experience. It's clear that this drone is perfect for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts looking for a compact and capable flying machine. First and foremost, the Atom-Se impresses with its sleek design and lightweight construction, making it incredibly portable. Whether you're hiking to a scenic spot or just heading out for a casual flight, this drone fits easily in a backpack. Setup is a breeze. Simply unfold the arms, connect to the app, and you're ready to take off. One of the standout features is its impressive camera capabilities. The 4K HD camera delivers stunning aerial footage with vibrant colors and sharp details with a 120 wide-angle lens. You can capture expansive landscapes or tight close-ups with ease. The built-in image stabilization technology ensures that your videos remain smooth, even in windy conditions. The flight performance of the Potensic Atom-Se is nothing short of impressive. With a maximum flight time of around 30 minutes and a range of up to 1,500 meters, you can explore your surroundings without constantly worrying about battery life. The drone's altitude hold and GPS assistance make it easy to control, allowing for a stable flight experience that's perfect for capturing those breathtaking shots. Another highlight is the array of intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Fly.